Pro. Let me squish this up. I just want to see. Okay, got it. So we do have a resistance area coming up on top, but the Maverick AI Pro is showing us. Look at this candle; it's just coming back. Yeah, that had to have been a fake out candle. This is again why. But you know what? I don't care what indicators you have or how much experience you have. You're human. You know what I mean? And you're just like you do something that you're like, why did I just do that? Oh yeah, look at that bright green candle on the Maverick AI Pro. Bright green candle. Love it. So, heck yeah. So as long as we can break this resistance area right here, um, this is going to be awesome. So, um, but maybe we'll get stuck right here. Maybe it will be a chop day. I don't know. But bright green candle, that is your strongest candle that the Maverick AI Pro will show you. And look at that up arrow. You're above your 200. You're now above the Maverick guide, which is the blue line. All right, so new bar. You're still bright green. You are completely green on your Maverick Multi-X. The Maverick Multi-X is looking at 6 different time frames, 5 different formulas per time frame, and it is just solid green. So, what's the lesson here? Wait out the first little bit of the market, and then trust the process. All right. So we're just going to watch this. If it starts to take a long time, then I will speed it up or whatever for YouTube. All right, so we're coming up to this resistance level here, but we are starting to get an arrow, which I absolutely love, and we are still bright green candles. Now it is the beginning of a new bar. You probably have heard me say this before on these videos, but I don't like to pass judgment the last minute and the first minute of a 5 minute bar. It just seems like it's just like a stop loss grab. Um, so it's probably why I trade less and less at NQ because it just seems like the minute at the end of the 5 minute bar and the first minute or 40 seconds of the 5 minute bar, it's like those candles just go flying back and forth, grabbing everybody's stop losses, and then it just continues on the way it was going to go. So anyway, we could get stopped at this support level, but we'll see. We're still bright green on our Maverick AI Pro. Great bright green candles and green background. And we're above the cloud. We're above the Maverick guide, and we are above the 200. By the way, anybody that has these indicators, we show you how to use them, how to read them. And then the Maverick Multi-X, 6 time frames, still green on every single block there, every single formula. Now we just got a green arrow going up. So maybe we can just push right through this support level and keep on rocking. But we'll see. I'll leave my screen up recording, and then before I post it, I'll fast forward if I need to, so you don't have to watch a 3 hour video. All right, so moved one contract to break even, and then I slid up another contract um, at the bottom of this candle. Now we are still bright green. I mean, this is like textbook bright green. Now you got your green arrow, your up arrow pushing up. Yeah, I'll move that other stop up too. There's no reason ever to let a winning trade just come all the way back down on you. And these things just don't go forever, right? So you want to trust but verify. Look at that push. So it's about 10:05 at this point. I don't think we had news today, but it's 10:05, and I'm on Eastern time, by the way. Man, it's pushing into this next resistance area or support. We're about to find out what it is. 2,600 on the trade. So, that first loss, that I never take the first 5 minutes of the market, we're making up for here. And we're just following our, man, look at that. This is awesome. Bright green candle, the strongest Maverick AI Pro candle you can have to go up. Your Maverick Multi-X is completely solid green, no signs of red whatsoever. So I'm I'm gonna trail this close here, really close, and take one contract off. Unless it just keeps pushing up and going away from my stop loss. It's kind of funny. But let's see here. All right, boom. One contract off, just took a bunch of profit off the table. Still have $1,400 on the other contract running. And this is awesome. Still bright green candles. You got the up arrows. We're way above the Maverick guide. You're all green on your Maverick Multi-X. This is awesome. Just trail this. Trail this. Yeah, let me give it some room. Let me give it some room because this sucker is hot right now. So, and yeah, I'll probably come back and tap this stop loss. Let me just take this off. Pigs eat, hogs get slaughtered. So you never want to get greedy. Boom! There we go. All right. Listen, if you are interested in any one of these indicators, whether it's the Maverick AI Pro that's on this chart or the Maverick Multi-X, go to maverickindicators.com and check it out.